Hello everyone, so in today's video I'm going to explain to you what does a sponsor do on Cash App. So as you might guess, a sponsor on Cash App is someone who supports you financially, usually being sending you money. This could be your friend, family member, or even a business. It's basically like having someone who's got your back when you need some extra cash. So how does it work? Let's say you're in a tight spot or you're raising funds for something important. You can ask someone to be your sponsor. They'll send you money directly to your Cash App account, just like they would with any other transactions. Why would someone sponsor you? There are a bunch of reasons. Maybe they believe in what you're doing, like a fundraising campaign, or they just want to help you out, like sending some cash to help with an emergency. Sometimes business might sponsor people to promote their brand. Having a sponsor can be a big help, whether it's covering unexpected expenses or giving you a little extra cushion in your budget. Plus, it's super easy to receive money on Cash App. No need to wait around for a check or a bank transfer. And that's it. Now you know what a sponsor does on Cash App. It's all about financial support, whether it's from someone you know or a business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.